Sneaker Fiends, what is going on? It's your host, Chris G, aka FreshPrinceOfJs, coming at you live in Jordania. Got two sneaker pickups today, guys. So we got two unboxings, as you can see right here. Hope you guys are having a blessed day. Hope all you guys are staying safe. This may not be live or a live video for you guys, but I know things are starting to pick up again, so make sure you guys are staying safe. If you guys do go out, make sure you guys are wearing your mask. You're following the proper steps to stay safe and keep your family safe. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into these unboxings. We'll go ahead and go with this one first. As you can see, got that Nike tape on there, so you guys already know what's up. So go ahead and get my handy dandy oh, there it is, cut your ass knife right here. And let's get into the unboxing, guys. So this first box, this is actually from my wife. Cop these sneakers. I was lucky enough to cop these off the Snkrs app. Me personally, I wouldn't. Well, let me get into the shoe first. So go ahead and give you that bird's eye view, man. Got that Nike box. Some of you guys already know. Go ahead and put this to the side. Over here, got that Nike box, red Nike box. Some of you guys probably already know what this is. As you can see, size 6, definitely ain't my size. But this shoe is clean, man. Got that Nike stamp in there. Let me go ahead and get that bird's eye view while I unwrap the paper. Just like it's Christmas morning all over again, guys. Bam! There you guys have it. You guys are currently looking at the Nike Air Jordan 1 tie-dyes. And these shoes are clean, man. Oh my god. These are clean, man. Got that soft leather on there. Air Jordan 1 tie-dyes. Like I was gonna say earlier, guys, me personally, I wouldn't buy a shoe that I can't rock. So when I seen that, I wear a size 12 in men's, so when I seen that these shoes weren't gonna go have those upper sizes, ruled me out right out the gate, man. Go ahead and get that other one out for you. Bah! These are clean shoes. And any of you guys who were lucky enough to cop a pair, man, hang on to these ones, man. It's a good, just classic silhouette. A good colorway with summer right around the corner. There you go, man. Got those Air Jordan tie-dyes. So we're gonna go ahead and set these aside. Bah! Let's put these bad boys right here so they're still in camera view. Second box, this one is for me. Got that Nike tape on the bottom. Already got my knife ready. Let's go ahead and get into it, man. This shoe, I've been trying to cop this shoe for a while now. Was trying to find a decent price, and I also wanted it dead stock, so it took me a while, but I was able to find them, and here we go. So right off the bat, and I didn't buy these off Nike, so just a heads up. Got that bird's eye view. Right off the bat, we got that box inside the foot action bag. So the guy I bought these off of was generous enough to give me the bag. Go ahead and take these off. Put that back to the side. Here's the receipt from Foot Action. Ooh, he's a gold member. Gold Star Club. Good for you, man. Good for you. Right here, as you can see, we got that Air Jordan 1 box. Size 12. Let's go ahead and get these unboxings. Oh, my bad, guys. I didn't give you that bird's eye view. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and give you that bird's eye view right there. Bah! There you have it. Air Jordan 1 Obsidian ones. Dead stock. These are clean. Oh man. Whew, they look just like tie-dyes on camera. Got those extra UNC laces or obsidian laces there. Oh man. Got that back. Dead stock. Obsidian ones. And I know a lot of you OG sneakerheads, you know, we do legit checks and we do all kinds of checks on shoes, black lights, you know, lacing, threadings. There may be a couple things that may indicate a fake shoe, but you cannot simulate that Air Jordan just fresh smell shoe. All you OG sneakerheads know, man. You just know. Oh man. Go ahead and get the other one out. Ba-da! These are cleans, man. These are clean. Air Jordan 1 Obsidian ones. Let me go ahead and present it, man. Because as we know, presentation is half the battle. I got these for a good price. Real good price. I mean, it wasn't retail, of course. You know, no Air Jordan 1 nowadays are going for retail unless you cop them for right off the bat. But yeah, man, there you go. Couple of Air 1s, couple Jordan 1s. Stay tuned. I have another pair coming in the mail this week, so I'll go ahead and make a video for that. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. As you guys can see, Air Jordan 1s, Obsidians, dead stock. This is a clean shoe, especially with summer right around the corner. And there you guys have it. You guys stay safe, stay blessed. Please, guys, if you're watching, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit like, comment. Do you think these were some great pickups today? Go ahead and drop what you feel in the comment box below. Yeah, man, hit that bell button too, because it helps me out a lot. Makes you stay notified every time I post a new video. I've been posting a lot of videos lately, so you know, I gotta stay on top of my YouTube grinding this time around. A lot harder nowadays, but I'm still here, guys. So with that being said, Fresh Prince of J's, I'm out. Peace.